Hello, my name's Lucky. This is a 180D YANMAR tractor, four-wheel drive diesel. Let me show you a couple of neat things about it. It can be driven in forward and reverse gears without the use of the clutch by using this left-hand reverser. With your left hand, you put it on here, you pull it back, you go in reverse. Push it forward, you go forward. You go forward again, you go into second gear. You go forward again, you go into third higher gear. There's also three ranges here on the column shift. You got 1, neutral, 2, and 3. So you got 3 times 3 on the gears, plus you have reverse. The PTO for the rear, there's a lever here at my leg I can pull up or pull down. It goes between 540 or 1000 PTO. I'll show you that function after I get the tractor running. The joystick is controlled off of one stick. Pull forward and reverse, left and right for the tilt of the tractor. It's an excellent feature for an older model tractor. Some older tractors have 2 levers, they're difficult to run. This tractor does not have power steering, but it's a lightweight enough tractor that it's easy to operate. There's a lever here for forward and reverse. If you put it forward, it goes into 4-wheel drive. When you pull it back, it goes into 2-wheel drive.